Good morning and welcome to OnRamp, everybody. There's over 1 million people that use Ramp, and to be able to actually get so many customers in one room is really exciting. Every single product that you see here today was made by a Ramp customer.
We're known for continued velocity and speed.
Part of what we're doing here at Ramp is trying to automate as many of those decisions as possible.
Our commitment is simple: to help you overcome the operational pressure, to help you continue evolving, and to harness this incredible technology evolution.
Seeing all of the Ramp staff just together, it was an amazing experience.